In this segment, we want to show you how to check your air cleaner for cleanliness. And we're also going to show you how to check your transmission fluid since they're right next to each other. Right. Usually you just have a single bolt cover, but being my personal bike, I had to get the fancy cover with all these bolts in it. So let me take them out real quick. Alright. K&N makes a cleaning solution for these, but you can also just use warm soapy water. You take some soapy water and just spray a type of cleaner around here and around the inside. Let it soak for about 10 minutes. And when you go to wash it out, just with warm water, wash from the inside of the filter, put your faucet into the filter and push out. That way you're taking all the particles and pushing them out into a sink and go around like so. Set it down, let it dry for a half hour, 45 minutes, until it's dry. K&N makes a performance oil kit. This is your K&N recharger kit. You have a cleaner, air filter cleaner, and an air filter oil. You just spray your cleaner generously around it. All right, now our filter's dried. Take your K&N oil and stay 4 to 5 inches away. Lightly oil the filter. What you do is oil it, then wipe off any excess around the edge of the filter. And reapply it back to the bike. One thing to note is that this is a K&N filter. It is a gauze type filter. It's a lot better than the stock filter. You can clean this filter for forever. They last forever. On a stock filter is a paper filter. It comes on a Harley Davidson. You cannot clean them with water. You may spray a little bit of compressed air on them, not too much, but if you try to clean them with water, the paper just kind of dissolves, it meshes together, and you get horrible airflow. That's the nice thing about the K&N filters. You get higher airflow, it's better performance, better gas mileage. You will notice an improvement.